Experience the perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and unmistakable AMG styling with this 2026 Mercedes-Benz AMG CLE 53 4MATIC. With just 100 miles, this stunning coupe is practically brand new and is ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Comfort is equally impressive, thanks to memory seating, dual-zone automatic climate control, and thoughtful driver-focused features that ensure every trip is as relaxing as it is exciting. Powering this AMG is a 3.00-liter turbocharged inline-six engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system. Add in adaptive suspension, 4-wheel independent suspension, speed-sensing steering, and traction control, and you've got a coupe that's engineered to deliver thrilling performance. Inside, cutting-edge technology takes center stage. The 15-speaker premium audio system with Sirius XM keeps you entertained wherever you go, as well as the panoramic power moonroof, bringing in natural light and fresh air. With its powerful performance and eye-catching design, this 2026 Mercedes-Benz AMG offers everything you'd expect. Contact our dealership for more details.